So here, this is my Twitter profile. Any profile, how to advertise your videos on Twitter profile. Main drawback is called when copy any YouTube URL, any website URL is not fetching your information. Is not fetching your information. That is purpose. You can use it for three options. One is called Twitter cards and using for third-party websites. In this using for third-party websites, using for FB linker, same thumbnail, the video promoting for multiple titles for using for FB linker. Different images, different title, different description, using for anyimage.io. Video all same. You can change your images, change your title, change your description anytime. You can promote your video. Twitter cards will be also same like this. Here we'll be using for analytics. When you open your analytics, in the show option call is Twitter cards will be here. Or else you can open option call is Twitter ads. We'll check. It's asking your payment method. Just you can click for back. Here will be showing for Twitter cards. The Twitter cards enable for after creating for Twitter ads. Without creating for Twitter ads, the Twitter cards will be not enabled. So first of all, we can use it for FB linker. How to use it for FB linker? Log in with Facebook. Just one click to you can log in your Facebook option. Copy the YouTube URL. Add your link. So you are worried about the warm water will be here. So you can I'm changing for title. My YouTube URL title and my title total will be changed. Selecting for my title here. Copy the title. Go to FB linker. Change your title. Click for submit and change your description also. Change here. Now click for submit. Exactly will take for 27 seconds for converting your sharing purpose. Wait for 27 seconds. Here, FB linker purpose of any YouTube video, we can promoting for different title, different description, same thumbnail. And anyimage.io, different images, different title, different description, same YouTube URL. URL will be same. Changing for images and title and description. First of all, select your image using desktop. So just I'm posting for select by drive. In this select by the image. So image not there. Just go to Google. So I'm changing for title here. Go for images. So select the best image. Save image. Same video. First I'm changing for same thumbnail, different headline, different description. So save it. Go to image.io. Browser file. Go to specific drive. You can select your image. After that, after select your image, in the select your your own title and own description. Just you complete your image here. Title, description, and my destination URL. Now click for finish. Before finish, check for your tweet. I will be posting tweet. See this one. So we're changing for your things. So copy, finish. Once finished, you can change your title and description. Now click for tweet. So any Twitter, we can posting on any video link. You can using for third-party tools or Twitter cards. Other we can't post directly on your Twitter tweet wall. Why? Because they're not fetching your information. Copy this one. And click for tweet. So in this one, there is showing some option here. Some error will be here. Wait for a second. In this copy time, change your URL. Click for tweet. Sometimes URL will not accepted. Change your YouTube original URL. This one. Next one. Here is a health benefit used for warm water. Click for tweet. Automatically they show your title and description. Click for tweet. Same YouTube URL. I'm changing for different title and description. I'm posting for your Twitter tweet line. Just tweet. Check this. So one is called I'm using for FB linker. Same thumbnail, different title and different description. Anyway.io. Same link. Changing my image. Changing my title. Changing for my own description. See this one. First one. My YouTube title and my posting in total different FB linker. Next one. This is about your Anyways.io option. Is it clear? There are two options we're using for promote your content. Next one, very important, without using tool. That is called go to your Twitter cards. Option call is select your card. Go to card library. Go to card library. In this card library, select your card. Click for website card. First, select your image. Image is most important from your posting purpose. In this, select my image. Done. Copy the title, headline, card name. Copy the URL. Paste it. Copy. Click for create. After create done, click for tweet. Post your tweet. remove the promote only. Is now I'm not promoting for ad. It's only for organic post. Remove this. Click for tweet. Once tweet done, go for here. Previous how many tweets are there? 3343. Now click for refresh. It will be showing for 3345. They're showing for 2 posts. Is my last post 10 seconds back. Using for Twitter cards. Is it clear? This is called we can using for Twitter card option. One is called FB linker. Last one will be using for anyimage.io option. These 3 will using for on Twitter promoting for YouTube channel videos. Most of the people using for Twitter cards are FB linker only. One is the Twitter cards. Second will be using for FB linker option. This is very important from the promote your videos on Twitter feed option.